Hello everybody. So today I will cook chicken. So I have the chicken here. It looks like it's bonded. And a bottle. So today I will cook chicken on the bottle and I will put in the oven. I will explain you how. Yeah, even if the bottle looks big, I can assure that it will fit in. So I will start with the sauce. It's just passata. Some rosemary, some oregano, some of my Romanian spices, some olive oil. This is some Ethiopian spices. This is very good and a bit spicy. And I will add a bit of wine, red wine. Of course you can add whatever you want. And for a bit of flavor I like to add some mustard. Okay, now let's unbond the chicken. Hairy ass. I washed before, by the way. So I recommend to cut a bit just to be better in the oven. Okay. But forgot to let's cut the ass. A quick massage everywhere. Also turn around, put the rest. Okay. So now we put some water in the bottle. It's very important because if you put the bottle without water in the oven, it will break. So in order to not happen, you need to put water, fill with water, and then you put the chicken in the bottle, actually on top of the bottle, and then you put it in the oven. So now we have water. And that's it. So we can see the bottle here. Told you it will fit. It's very stretched. Okay, now we can smile, make a picture, and then we put some water here. So we put some water, not too much. It's just to moisture from time to time the chicken, like this. So we have to take it out from the oven, let's say 20 to 20 minutes. Okay. And now we can add more spices into. So now we preheat the oven, I would say 180 degrees, and then you put this one inside, and from 20 to 20 minutes you take it out, and then you start to moisture like this, and then you put back and do this every 20 minutes. And also you can turn the chicken on the other way. It depends what kind of oven you have. If you have an electric one, then turn on the fan, because otherwise the chicken will be very tense here on the top, and on the bottom it will be raw. So try to turn on the fan, and if you have gas, then use as normal. So let's start. Okay, now it's the first time and I took it out, so we moisten a bit. It looks a bit black here on the top because I left it for too long, unfortunately, but 20 minutes it should be enough. This time I left for 35 minutes, so only 20 minutes. And now we put it back. Okay guys, now it's done. I took it a few more times, so usually I would recommend to moisture every 20 minutes 4 times, and then it's done. But also you can check, if you want to cook more, you can cook more. You can take a knife and a fork and check if inside is good. It looks good for me. So now enjoy.